Perfectly tucked in New Swickley Township, this picturesque property offers over 30 serene acres. Dutchman Run, a gentle water feature, meanders through the land, adding to the natural beauty. Soothing sounds of nature and uninterrupted views of wildlife in every direction. Whether you seek a peaceful retreat, your own private hunting grounds, or a place to build your dream home, this ideal setting promises serenity and convenience. If there's ever anything you need, don't hesitate to reach out, and the Katina.Hunter team is always here and happy to help.